Hello guys, this is part 2 of the level design sci-fi city level design. So as you can see, I'm continuing the building placement. So gradually it's becoming, taking shape. Yes, I'm just placing the different kinds of building assets. They're quite interesting, like all is coming from my head actually. I used to play a lot of games actually uh, in my uh, off time. I play game. So games actually, as a level designer, this is the must. You have to play, all sorts of games like RTS and first person, third person. You have to be a good gamer to be a good 3D artist or a 3D level design or a designer, or in working in a game industry or a game um, components, working with the game components. You have to be some kind of gamer. uh, this is actually my thought. So yes, as you can see, I'm placing one by one building, populating the lots. So in this pack you can find a very interesting kind of lots. You can find them uh, interesting kind of buildings. So they are plug and play type, just drag and drop in your projects, like this one. So they are a combination of a black and a yellow color, and I made it like a bit colorful, you know. So yes, scale it down a bit. So scaling down is quite normal. Sometimes you need to adjust the model. Sometimes you need to scale up in a one direction, scale up. It's quite okay as soon as you maintain the good proportion. Yes, scale down. So as soon as you are okay with the proportion, little bit of scaling up down, it's quite okay. So yes, this part is done. And basically you need to populate the city lots as you are created. So the road networks, they are kind of a modular pack. So as you can see, I'm resizing this. Oops. Okay, so this one is not for this lot. Let's find a this one kind of. Let's see how it's behave. Like this one. Yes, this one can be okay. Okay, this one. Yes, yes. So your goal is to make a very densely kind of a Sci-Fi City, somewhere around the, around the world, or maybe somewhere around the space. I don't know. It's like like a fictional city with the fictional buildings and objects. Okay, now the time is for the building tower. As you can see, I'm placing them the top of the buildings, like it's like a tower antenna. The emissive and all the the tower is uh, looking quite good. These slots are empty. Just fill it up. Fill it up as well. Yes. And also this one. Okay. From this side. Okay, this one. Okay, from the far away, it's taking shape. Okay. So like this building, you need to scale a bit down. Something like this and this. Okay, done. And you must bring these assets, these prefabs, into a container, like you buildings container. You have to bring it in a building, otherwise your hierarchy panel will be so much heavy. You cannot, if you are not categorize them, it will be a very hectic to handle all sorts of assets. So it's a good practice to categorize them. Buildings goes to buildings, roads and networks goes to road networks, antenna goes to antenna, vehicle goes to vehicle, something like that. Vegetation goes to vegetation. As you can see, I'm placing the antennas. It's actually adding quite good detail on the buildings part, like they're kind of communicating with the outside of the world, something like that. So like that purpose, it's kind of an antenna. So obviously the buildings are sci-fi, so everything must look sci-fi. So as you can see, I'm placing the buildings, like snapping the vertex and placing the buildings, sorry, placing the antennas there, snapping on the top one by one. So as you can see, this is very time consuming. So you must have your patience. You need to be patient, and you need to it's not a 1 hour or 2 hour job. It's quite hectic job, by the way, but it's very fantastic. You are doing your imagination, your creativity. So I'm just adding the the antennas. As you can see, as soon as I'm adding the antennas, the buildings are looking quite, just a bit advanced with the antenna on top of them. Just looking around. Yes. Just one by one. and copy them all. Yes, randomize them. It's like a good practice for, you know, randomize the things. Only two antennas I'm using. One is a bit short, one is a long, but it's doing its work, by the way. Yes. Now what I am doing is I am just put it in a container, like I said before, the antennas goes to antennas. Okay, so all the assets have their collision attached, and also, you know, you see the green box that is collision attached already, and putting the antennas over there. So yeah, this one you need to be patient, and you know, you are creating a digital artwork, like you have to be patient. Okay, a 3D artwork, and you have to be patient and take your time and do one by one, because there is no auto switch for this. You have to be patient and do it one by one, because this is your creativity, this is your uh, skill set. So give it a time to arrange the components. As you can see, the buildings are looking like a kind of alive after adding the antennas and more aligned with the sci-fi context. I'm putting it in the container. So to keep the you know, hierarchy clean, it's like segmenting the assets. So the easiest way to put it on the surface is to snap on a corner. So snapping is a definitely uh, the must uh, useful, you know, must have tools for the level design. You need to snap every time to object, or you know, something what I'm doing right now, because without snapping that will be not so perfect. Okay, so we'll have to rotate a bit. Yes, and then okay. So guys, this is the second part is ending. Thank you for watching and keep watching until it finished. I think you are enjoying. So have a look at the last time. Yes, the city is building. Thank you very much.